Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Are you looking? There is something on my table. What is this? Look at carefully. What is this? These all are tomatoes. What? Tomatoes. We use tomatoes in raw form and cooked form also. And this is tomato ketchup. What is it? Tomato ketchup. I hope you will be understand. Today we will start a new letter which is T. Which is T. And its sound is T. Its sound is T. Okay. T tomato. T tomato. T tomato cat. Please subscribe our channel. Click bell icon for notification of our upcoming videos. Please like and share videos. Put your comments in our comment section. Okay, I have some more friends. Do you want to see? What is this? This is a teacup. This is a teacup. T begins with phonic T. T teacup. T teacup. Okay. What is it? In this picture, the boy lives in the tent. The boy lives in the tent. Tent begins with phonic T. T tent. T tent. Okay. What is this? This is a tree. This is a tree. Tree begins with phonic T. T tree. T tree. Look at this. This is a vegetable. Its name is turnip. What its name? Turnip. Turnip begins with phonic T. T turnip. T turnip. Next. What is this? This is a table. This is a table. Table begins with phonic T. Table begins with phonic T. T table. T table. Look at this picture. What the boys and girls are doing? They are playing table tennis. They are playing tennis, and this game is called table tennis. Table, tennis. Table tennis. Okay? Look at this. What is it? Do you like it? It's a train. It's a train. Train. Train begins with phonic T. T train. I have one animal. What is it? Its name is tortoise. Its name is tortoise. Tortoise begins with phonic T. T tortoise. T tortoise. Okay, I have a wild animal. Know what's its name? Its name is tiger. Tiger begins with phonic T. T tiger. T tiger. Look at this picture. Who is he? He is teaching the students. The person who teaches the students is called teacher. She is a teacher. Teacher begins with phonic T. T teacher. T teacher. Understand? You have seen lots of friends of T. Which phonic is T? Are you happy and satisfied? Okay. Now it's time to wind up my lesson. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, like my video and share it also. Okay, Allah Hafiz.